So this is my quick lesson on how to make fudge. I am going to put in some chocolate. The key ingredient to add is condensed milk. This is really what's going to bind everything together. And we'll skip to the stirring part. I like to add butter. My weaker hand to stir for a minute. I put it on a low heat or medium heat, but I find that the medium seems to cook a little too fast. My mother loves nuts in her fudge, so I've added some pecans. Already lined a pan with wax paper and just pour the contents in. This small batch should be ready in about an hour, hour and a half. Doesn't look beautiful, but once we cut these into little slices, they will look delectable. Look at the inside of this chocolate bar. Come on, let's taste a piece. So good.